ವಿಶ್ವಂಶು ಅವರ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಹಳ ಕೀನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಭಗವಂತನ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಅವರಿಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಭಾವನೆ. ಓವರ್ ಟು ಯು ವಿಶ್ವ గారు.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Sorry, I still haven't brushed my Kannada very well. The 2-3 Kannada sentences I know, like last time I told you, I was taught by my father-like figure, Mr. Ambarish, and I cannot repeat those sentences here, where I'll be thrown out of this place. First and foremost, I want to thank Shivraj Anna. Though I would have loved to share the screen space with you. I don't think I was lucky enough to share the screen space for this movie, but in future I do hope I do get a chance. Even if it's one scene, I hope I do get a chance to act with you. If it's Kannappa for a smile, in India it's only Dr. Rajkumar sir. For our generation, it is Shivraj Kumar Anna. And I had to take his blessings before enduring this trip. And in my Telugu state, I had to take the blessings of Sri Krishnaraju sir's family because he remade Vedar Kannappa in 1976. It was called Bhakta Kannappa in Telugu. So I'm carrying the legacy forward. I need your blessings, Anna. We put our heart and soul in this, and now it's all with the blessings of the Lord Almighty Shiva and big people like you. We are releasing the movie on 27th June, and we need your blessings. Thank you, Anna.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಶಿವನ ಸಹಕಾರದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಕೂಡ